Shaka Zulu. My parents are coming this weekend and I cannot wait for you to meet them.
Even your father?
Yeah, my father and my sister. My brother, my father, my sister and my mother, they're both coming. They're all coming.
If your father is coming, can I take a weekend home? I want to check my mother. My mother, that one accident last week. So here, she happened, like then it opened. So it's pain. The mind here, you can read what she want to say. So can I at least go home and look at her, because your father is coming this side. Like the problem is the English. Your father is too much English, that one. So me English is never get along. So English, like I feel like I'm unemployed inside. English, no, don't.
So you're saying your mother is opened in the mind. You can read what she said.
You can read what she. I
so
tried
cool,
putting back this thing. See, so I used the super glue like this. So now the blood is coming a small. See, this side and sometimes. So it's at times to with the toilet paper.
But I understand. But your mother's gonna be fine though. So just come this week, because last weekend my parents came and you were not here. So they definitely want to meet you. So yeah, they want to meet you. So you should be here. I don't know about your mother. Maybe you can keep her in the fridge.
She sorry never said. The problem really is not mother, that one. See, the problem is your father. Your father is speaking too much English. So your father is like a business person. Is speaking proper English. So me proper English, you know exactly, is not doing very fine.
Yeah.
So please say.
I'm just so fascinated about what you're telling me about
See,
your
now
mother.
you see, like your father, a facet. See, me is not getting along all the ways. Say that.
But that's so cool though, your mother, like, you can just, I wish my mother was like that.
Open here. See, there is very danger. That's why, see, when you have what is for doing the clothes, a needle.
The needle, yeah.
Yes, if a needle can try here, it can die very quick. So see is in danger. That is why I used the super glue here to close. Understand? So I have to go take care of her.
But I know what I think would be very cool is when they were renovating it, there's leftover cement. So I think it can work well to put. Mm-hmm. So I think that can be very cool, like a cement on the top of the head. That
maybe cool. Maybe in the pen, the navy blue one.
Definitely, yes. You can paint it blue. However you want, blue, pink.
I think it can be blue this side, then pink.
Then she doesn't have to even have to go to any hairstylist anymore, you know?
Yes, only the painters must go visit for renovating. If you want to change hairstyle, that one.
But the problem is the head would be there.